Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 12 together. First, the total amount at the end equals the principal plus the interest. That is, 20,000 plus 5,600, which is 25,600 shillings. Now the compound interest formula. The amount A equals the principal P times 1 plus R over 100, all raised to the power n, where R is the rate per period and n is the number of periods. Be careful here. The rate is 2.5% for every 6 months, so each period is a half year, and n will count the number of half years. Substituting our numbers, 25,600 equals 20,000 times 1.025 to the power n. Divide both sides by 20,000. 25,600 over 20,000 is 1.28. So 1.025 to the power n equals 1.28. The unknown n is in the exponent, so we take logarithms of both sides. Using the power rule, the log of 1.025 to the n becomes n times the log of 1.025. And that equals the log of 1.28. So n equals log of 1.28 divided by log of 1.025. That is about 0.1072 over 0.0107, which is approximately 10. So there are 10 half-year periods. Finally, convert to years. Each period is half a year, so 10 half years is 10 times a half, which is 5 years. So the investment ran for 5 years. Well done. That's question 12 complete.